Ladies and gentlemen, this is a perfect Friday to make some money, and the market is on a consolidation mode, and we are here to make a lot of money. So my bias is bullish today, and my first target is 45.50. Yes, let's see how market will react. And I am loaded up my ATAS, I loaded up my Lux algo, and waiting for market to open. 30 seconds to go and we are live. Let's do this. Let's watch the tape now. I hope you guys are well and feeling good because it's a Friday. Let's see the market. The current condition is kind of bearish, but I think like today we will see some rising up first, then we can see some pullback. It's kind of mixed market. Didn't take any position yet. Waiting for confirmation.
Order filled. Order placed. Order placed.
Just went in a long position. Let's see.
Order filled.
Taking some partials.
Order placed. Order filled.
3 position left.
Order filled.
1 position left. Let's put our stop loss
Order placed.
here and let it run.
Order placed.
You can say that I sold too early my position. I know. 45.45 is the next target. Let's see. Moving my stop loss up.
Order placed.
So far so good. Perfect start.
Order placed. Order placed.
We have already booked our profit. Our bias was long, and we took 5 contracts from the 45.37, and we are now letting run. I will close at the previous day high, which is like 45.45.
Order placed. Order placed.
Come on.
Order filled. Order
We are
cancelled.
out of the position and quick scalp. We have made $113 in just the market open, and let's see how much we will make in the end of this perfect live session. Let's switch back to 5 minutes. Look at the delta, it keeps rising. We nearly didn't see any minus here, and the breaker block is happening on my chart, as you see. This was an easy trade. The whole price action was perfect. My entry was perfect. My exit was perfect. So recap, we entered at 45.37 and my last position was the 45.44, which is like nearly 10 handles. How did you know it was gonna be bullish? I was watching the price action. Market make a new low of the day in the pre-market, and you see that Laxalgo gave the green buy signal, and these candles returned to green. Then you know it make a new support line here, and I saw that it didn't break that line, and I jump into the long trade, and my stop loss was very tight. I will be stopped out somewhere right here. So that was my strategy. My original target was 45.50, but I couldn't keep that long. That was my curse. I am exiting out so quickly from all of my positions. So the delta was 4k in the first 5-minute candle, which is some significant move. But if the market touched the 45.50, you know, I can expect like the bounce from there, and we will watch that later on. So let me quickly show you the book map, what I'm talking about. There's a 400 orders sitting and waiting to get filled. After they got filled, the next target will be like 45.65, but we can see some pullback if these orders got filled, but who knows, right? We will watch the pure price action. So I hope you guys are well and feeling okay. Yeah, that was very nice trade actually. I think like we closed the day in the first 5 minutes. Let's see. You know, I really like the Atas platform, and I can enter and exit all of my positions very quickly. I can manage all my positions there. So if you're interested with this delta and the footprint of the chart, so you can get 14 days free trial in my description. It's free to test it. You don't need to pay for the first 14 days. Look at the market. I exited so early. So this is the smart tape that you are seeing on the left side. This is the smart dome on the right side. So basically you are seeing the order numbers there, and you are seeing the orders that has been filled. I'm looking for enter position again here. My target is nearly reached, which was like a 45.50 as I mentioned. This was no surprise. Now there is a change of character. If I see a break of structure kind of thing, I will remain bullish because we got this perfect breaker block on a bullish side. On the Laxalgo, baby. Laxalgo doing its magic on this perfect Friday. $45.59. Price is pulling back. I don't know. Let's fill that up. Let's watch the book map together. All right. Iceberg's order coming into the field. So 45.10 can be a pullback point, but we will see. If you guys have any questions regarding to my positions or anything like that, feel free to ask me. I am trading futures, and we are here to make some sweet and nice amount of money. We have already made a perfect trade. You can see my entrance, you can see my exit, so that's very nice trade. 7 handles, just like that. I forgot to trade with my PI account on the Apex. It was on trade 08, and I always forget to trade with that. 45.49, it's coming to the 45.50, my target. Let's see if the price can fill that up. Look at this. Watching closely the book map. If the price can't break that and go and fill that, it's a bad thing. It is going to that side. Every time price came to the 45.50, it comes back down. We just break the previous day high, so for now there is no position for me because we have already took 7 handles. It would be risky to long one more time, but we will see. If we some nice candles, we can consider everything.
Order placed. Order cancelled.
I just accidentally hit the buy button. You should be very careful with the clicking buttons on ATAS because I have enabled the trading from chart. It's very helpful, but don't come and click randomly. Look at the orders. You can see the trend strength is 17% on the lax algo indicator. Let me just make it bigger for you. Dashboard size, the normal one, the large, perhaps. Yes. So the trend strength is 17% and squeeze is 14.7%. And there is a high volatility in the market, obviously. What's the ticker? The ticker is ES, which is SPY, S&P 500. So market up 0.5%, Nasdaq up 0.6%, and price can't make a new highs for now. We can switch back to the short position if we see a continue on these red candles. But it's too early to say something now. The negative delta is increasing, minus 2000. 1 minute left until this bar close, then we decide. You are very welcome, Court. Waiting patiently for to bar close, no need to rush. 45.10 is the target for the short position, but didn't took any yet. The bulls are losing the game here, guys. Minus 3k delta. Bar has been closed under the previous day high. We need to wait. So because this looks like a good long entry, also a nice short entry, 50-50%.
Order placed. Order placed.
Throwing some orders to my chart because why not? Lux Algo still on a green bar, which means that the trend is continuous. If you see a new high, the 45.50 will be filled. Look at this. And this time the
Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
45.50 got filled. Let's see what will happen now. It's getting hot here. The iceberg order, you see, 750 buy order got filled here. So my target for the long side has been reached. I don't think that I will long the market. The trend strength is dropping. It was 17%, now it's trading at 12% at the moment. Delta is positive 3k. Buying pressure is increasing. Look at this. The green is buys, the reds are sell. Easy peasy. There was a news at 8:30 a.m. so that's why it gave the signal. Then it long. In the news it's messed up. Don't trade at the news. But you see this strong sell signal. All the confirmation indicators are confirming change of character in the market. Very nice trade. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. And if you are enjoying this live session, hit that like button. Now this breaker block acting as a support over here. You see this? And this is a pure support line for the market now. The VIX is down 7%. So the volatility is decreasing. So far so good. Support zone is breaking down. This is a problem for the bulls. Wow. What's going on? The breaker block is gone. It's dead. 45.10 is my target for the short side. Didn't enter the position yet. It's too early. This is the gap that happened between the yesterday market close to today's market open. It's a very small gap. Seller pressure is going high. Our take profit zone is the pure resistance for the market. You see, we just discussed in the beginning of the live session. If you wonder what I said, you can just rewatch this whole live stream for free. Trend strength is dropped to 10%. You can see on the right bottom of my screen. I'm reading the tape. 4K delta closed. It keeps increasing. We might consider position.
Order placed. Order cancelled. Order placed. Order cancelled. Order placed.
If you remember this zone, we entered long position here because the price couldn't go below this opening gap. This was act as a support. Now if we see a breakdown of this support, I will go short position. Live commentary.
Order filled.
Okay, we got filled, I believe.
Order placed. Order placed. Order placed. Order placed. Order cancelled. Order placed.
I took a short position here, Court, but this is a risky position. You know, it will be better if you wait like a bar to close in 2 minutes.
Order placed. Order placed.
I think like buyers are stepping into game on the equilibrium zone. One minute until the bar close.
Order filled. Order placed. Order cancelled. Order placed. Order filled. Order placed. Order placed. Order cancelled.
Okay, I'm out of the position because if you see the book map, price can go in both directions. There's a high chance that it will go down, but again I closed kind of early, but oh gosh, just after I closed the position. I could do better. I'm getting sad when I just closed so early like this. The direction was correct, but wow, that is not good for me. I don't know why I'm getting out so early from these positions. Look at this. I have shorted at 33.25. It's again a 5 handles. We knew it. This book map sometimes confusing me. I hope you guys keep the position. You didn't close with me. Look at this. So my short target was, as all of you guys know, that 45.10, which is a new low of the day. Let's see if it hits. You know, the patience is the key here, but my patience is bad, I can admit. I found the good setups. You see there's a 45.24, 10 handles, unbelievable. I was watching the delta, it was all great, but I just exit out so quickly. Oh, nothing to do. Look at this, it will flushing. I will switch to Nasdaq. I don't want to see the ES. Oof. Oh boy. Oh, nice setup here. The breaker block with the strong sell. If I was starting and trading new, just like today, and I will just go buy one funded account challenge on Top Step or the Apex, whatever you want. Then I will go Lux, I'll go premium indicator, watch my videos, and you can make money. Easy like that. Just control your emotions. Please do what I say, but don't do what I do. Obviously, this price will hit the new low of the day. Look at the delta, minus 5,000. The max delta was positive 300. No chance for the bulls to control the market. Oh boy, it's coming. My stop loss was at the high of the opening gap. Now I'm watching it. I deserve this. No doubt that price will go to the 45.10, I guess. So anyways, we took two positions. Two of them was successful, like Wednesday. This week we are closing at 100% win rate. Congratulations to us. I accept that I going out of my positions so early, but nothing to do. Price just find a support on the 45.20, but I guess it means nothing. Eventually it will head over to the 45.10. So the question is, why I don't take a short position if I know that price will go to the 45.10? Because the risk to reward ratio is failed for me here. But if I see the price go and touch the equilibrium point and make that a resistance line, I will enter, of course. Let's see. Re-enter zone here. I hope you guys learning something new today. This week was, I think, very nice live sessions we made on here for free on YouTube. So any questions, guys? Let's see the chat. I was confused on what direction I went. To be honest, today's directions was not so bad, not so clear, but it's not so confusing. But the thing is, when the price wants to move in one direction, you need to act fast. So it's giving you a pain when you take a short position, because I know that I entered the position early, so that was my disadvantage. I could wait until the bar close. Then if I wait to bar close and enter somewhere here, because the bar opened here, and I will put my stop loss just above the opening gap. But sometimes we rush ourselves. So let's see. Nothing finished yet. Abhishek, welcome to the live session, my friend. let me type in here. So for the newcomers, the win rate for today is where is it? 100%. 2 trades taken, 1 long, 1 short, total handles. Okay, this is a mess now. Okay, this is for the newcomers. Yeah, that pullback is sweet, but you know there was an obvious support here because this is the midnight lows, we can say. So no doubt that we can see some reaction here from the buyers, I guess. So let's see the book map. Actually, not so much going on. Let me show you. We have 45.30 orders here waiting to get filled. 45.10, 45.20. Nothing so much fancy at the moment. Also, you can see my trades on the Atas platform. It's shown there. The handles is 1 point for the ES. Let's say that 45.26 to 45.27, it's one handle. But the tick is quarters, like a 45.27.00. And if it's up one tick, it means like 45.27.25. So it's a tick. Handle is 1 point. Tick is quarter point. The re-enter for not calls for the puts. I think you really like to trade options. If you can manage to trade options, you will become a master on the futures, because there are a lot of things on the options like the theta, the gamma, the premium, and all that stuff. If you even know the direction of the price, you will get killed by the premium. So I really don't like the options. The only time that I trade options is the covered calls. I think price has entered the consolidation zone. Let's see the chart in 1 minute. Why it stopped automatically? I think I will not re-enter because it took so much time to bounce and fill those orders, then push back again. Let's see what we'll do, because if the candle close inside the zone and if it not go up, it will be a good idea. Buyers are pushing up the price. I am now watching the delta to re-enter. Alright, max delta. Let's see. I think the setup is invalidated. It's a high risk, low reward scenario. Delta has reached the 600. Oh boy.
Order filled.
Okay.
Order placed. Order cancelled. Order placed. Order cancelled.
Let's see. Just a small contract for fun. Just before I leave.
Order placed. Order placed. Order placed.
Market is so choppy. Buyers are stepping in. Delta about to go positive. Now it's positive. Now negative. Yeah, buyers are really trying hard here. One minute left until the bar close. The trend is dropping to 7%. There is a high volatility. Okay, that's enough. The stop loss is the same as the high of the gap.
Order placed.
And we are out of here, guys.
Order cancelled.
Okay, we took one loss. This can happen. The buyers are stepping in. No need to risk more than this was a high risk, high reward, but we took one contract because you know it's a kind of low probability setup. It's in the I don't like to take a trades on the equilibrium zones, so that's why I entered with one contract. My normal size is 5, so we took $20 loss. So end of the P&L before we finished. $100 we made today together here on the live stream. 3 trades taken, 2 are them win, 1 is loss, and that's all for today. I hope you guys learned something new. Price can pull back from here, I don't care. That was our setup. So until the next time, guys, take care of yourself, and do not forget to watch my videos to learn more about my trading strategies and all that stuff. Thank you guys for being here, and I will catch you on next Wednesday. Take care of yourself.